Hello, we are team SIBM Magicians and from SIBM Pune, and we are the winners of National Nestle 4-Piece Challenger 2019. We are here to share with you our experience and about the competition and everything you need to know, including our journey so far. So, just a brief introduction. I'm Akash Mandal and I majored in marketing. Prior to this, I did my engineering from College of Engineering Pune. Gunnar.
I'm Gundrav Chadda. I again did my MBA in marketing, and prior to that, I worked with Ernst and Young. I was an analyst there, and even before that, I did my engineering in electronics and telecommunications.
Hi everyone, this is Gitesh Makkad. I also majored in marketing from SIBM, as you guys know, and I worked with TCS before as a pre-sales consultant and yes, engineering background as well. I guess we're good to begin.
Yeah, sure. Just a brief about the competition. So, Nestle 4-Piece Challenger is one of the most reputed B-school competitions, which is hosted every year. And this is basically to engage with college, with MBA graduates, and to pick their brains and see their business acumen as well. So every year there is a new challenge, a business problem to be solved. And last year we had our case on Maggie Fusion. So just a brief about the structure of the competition. And so this is a competition which is phased into rounds, round one and round two. Round one being the campus round where students have from participating campuses will have to submit their presentations, and after the selection there is a campus round where five teams are shortlisted, and there is a campus winner as well as a runners up. So after having proceeded from the campus round, we reached the national finals, which is the round two of the competition. And so there we were competing against 12 colleges, all from all over India. And the team structure was three of and it is for marketing and sales. So just a brief about the case and what we were supposed to do. So the problem statement comprised of three major questions. One was how to come up with a strategy as to how we ensure repeat purchase of Maggie Fusion for our target group. For that, we also had to understand and identify who the target group was. Apart from that, we had to understand and explain the role of three P's, namely product, price, and place in achieving the result for our strategy. And the third part being how did we leverage on the various promotion and our promotional channels, both on ground as well as online, right from on ground activation to e-commerce, and how did we improve on our strategy using technology. So technology was one of the key focus areas for implementing this strategy. Over to you, Gunther. Sorry,
I
Gitesh.
think
So yeah, probably we'll cover the questions or the concerns which are presentation during a presentation the judges asked us. So during our campus round, a lot of focus was on the operational part of it and how our ideas will come into execution. So we were asked a few questions in the case itself, which dealt with the barriers or the uh, restrictions or reservations consumers might have to rebuy the product, because everybody buys for once and tries the product, and as it is from the reputed brand Nestle Maggie. So we made some certain barriers and showed it to the jury. So they asked how can we improve and how can we map our solution to each of the barriers. So the barriers we presented were biases, basically from the stakeholder perspective as well as the uh, cognitive biases. Any consumer might have a hygiene factor, any retailer might have a margin factor in mind, and various considerations on play. So that was one major discussion in our campus round. And also, they asked a lot of questions about the implications or the viability of our ideas, whichever we suggested for them to implement. Since it was a repurchase case focusing totally on repurchase and not on trials, their focus was on more than awareness, the sales part of it. So operations and execution of ideas was more important here rather than just giving them blank ideas. And that took us to the national round. And even in the national round, they focused on our big idea. So they clearly asked us, what was your top idea and how do you see its impact? So we had to go about explaining to them some numbers, some guesstimates that this is the sales impact it can have. This, if done rightly and across the right TG, across the right channels, can lead us to the desired results. So leveraging technology, we had to integrate our ideas. So they just wanted to see our clarity of thought and our intent that how can we achieve to the objective again. So that was more or less about it. And the other areas they focused about were again on the objectives and the key questions. Those were highlighted in the case itself. So we had to take into consideration the media habits, the consumer behavior, and how initially Maggie's hotheads had failed the line before this line of product. So we had to take learnings and do our research well in order. And we were also asked about a lot about the research methodology. So that were the major key areas that we were questioned on. So over to you, Gunjan.
Okay, so the important subjects that we considered were important in handling this case were marketing management. Firstly, since it really helps us understand what is actually needed, since it's a marketing case, right? So it helped us segment the target audience. So the STP process came in via that. Then hyper segmenting and sub-segmenting, because Maggie being such a powerful brand, it goes across the length and breadth of India and across all economic spectrums. So we really needed to identify the audience via the concepts that marketing management helps us. Then consumer behavior was another subject. Why consumer behavior? Because pretty much for your primary and secondary research, knowing what the consumer wants, because that really forms the base of your entire research. Once you know what the consumer is looking for, it's only then after you can, push for your ideas. And after that would be brand management, because you really need to give ideas which are aligned with the brand. So many a times people come up with suggestions, but that may really go beyond what a company looks like. So you can't give an aggressive strategy to a brand which really showcases itself as a conservative brand. So here again, brand management becomes really important. The key differentiators for us, according to us, would be the diversity of the team. So Gitesh, Akash and I come from three very different backgrounds. So I did my summers in brand management. Gitesh was in market research and Akash was in sales. So we got a 360-degree view of all domains which were required to deal with such a case. So many a times people go ahead with teams of their friends, which really doesn't help in many cases. Then the other was sheer focus on the objective. So here, like Gitesh mentioned, the case was more about remarketing. So the market, people had consumed it, but there weren't resales. So many people really messed it up over here, where they created marketing campaigns for the product, not remarketing campaigns. Then the next was a big idea was highly structured, uncomplicated, but highly implementable. Implementability is at least the crux of this entire gamut, because if it's not implementable and it's not really simple, it loses its purpose. So giving them very glamorous ideas won't help in any B school competition. In fact, the idea has to be simple and crisp and yet implementable. Then understand the key pain points of the consumer. So a good primary and secondary research will help you all get this. And since we're in the online age, I'd even recommend using applications like Google Trends, which really helped us knowing what searches people are doing online. So that really helped us understand which marketers searching for what online with respect to Maggie now in this case. So yeah, these were the main things what we did. Again, scalability became one more aspect which uh, I didn't mention earlier. Scalability comes in again under implementation, which is really important for the company, because if it's not a scalable idea, they may feel that this is not worth the time and money that they're putting in. So yeah, beyond that, then the result came in. Touchwood, we were declared the winners. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.